After years tucked away in storage, this 1988 Porsche 911 3.2 finally saw daylight again. A garage-kept classic, patiently waiting for its return to the road. It arrived at Porsche the Village for a full inspection, where our Porsche-trained technicians took a close look at what time had done. The verdict? The kind of aging you'd expect after decades at rest. A worn clutch, several oil leaks, and a lot of rust. The engine was pulled, making room for mechanical repairs and clearing the way for serious bodywork. Corrosion was carefully removed from the rocker panels, window trim, and lower body. We took it back to black, deep, rich, and timeless, highlighting every curve of the 911's iconic silhouette. Inside, the restoration continued. New leather was stretched over the original front seats, dyed to match reclaimed rear seats and side panels. Finished with fresh carpeting throughout. With the interior complete, the engine was reassembled, new wheels fitted, and every detail dialed in. From storage back to the street, this 911 is once again ready to drive, with heritage and craftsmanship at its core.